So we are in the port area. We haven't actually entered port yet, near El Hierro, and here's one of these reddish old Cinter cones that has been buried in the lava stratigraphy but is now being eroded out because of the coastal erosion. And we've seen this over the last little while. This is actually a popular building stone. Once these lapilli stones are baked together, they become rather attractive because they're porous but sufficiently firm to be used as a building stone. And we've seen it on Madeira. I have some videos which I will release a little later, and we know that this is a common thing on Gomera, and it's described in our book, The Geology of the Canary Islands, by Juan Carlos Caracedo and myself, if you're interested. And this is one of these kind of sources, and you can see there's a bit of an open end here, so this was probably partly reworked here. And there we have this reddish oxidized material that comes from baking, from compaction and from baking within hot lava flows, and from fluids that circulate through this. And this is a very attractive material, and you see it down there, there's an open scar there, so it was broken there as well. And this is where some of these petrol tanks are that are used to refill the ships. So here, just at the southeastern margin of El Hierro, we see the coastline being pretty steep in places. And then there's a few kind of coastal platforms here as well, of course. So let me just zoom in. Here's one of them. So from the far distance, El Hierro would look like a shield, and you can just about see that. But on a map, it actually looks like a triple-armed Mercedes star type arrangement. And this is because there were several landslides on either end of the island. And the youngest is the El Golfo landslide, and then we have the El Jolan one, and the one here in the southeast as well, which was partly incomplete, but the coastline is affected by it. So here, the port area behind us, and we're gonna dock very soon, I hope. So, and then we can actually prepare for going off the ship and exploring the island for the day. We will leave again tonight, so it's again one of these short stops, a day stop here on the island, but I really look forward to it, to explore the island again, and starting here in the southeast, going all the way to the south. And if time permits, we might even have the opportunity to quickly go to El Golfo. Thank you very much. All the very best.